have to say this, there's no specific way for you to choose color for your designs or for your UI UX project. But guys, picking the right color sometimes can be very, very disturbing, frustrating, and I can totally relate to it. So in this video, I'm specifically going to show you how I pick colors from the very point I do sketch to the very end when my project is finished. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please make sure you click the subscribe button, like the video, and also share this video to your friends. I'm Emmanuel, digital content creator and also a graphic designer. So picking colors, you have to start with knowing that there are certain colors that convey certain type of emotions. We all know that red conveys love and also danger, white conveys simplicity, and that's why Apple does use it as part of their brand colors, that they are being simple, obviously. Yeah. You all know, okay, gold conveys luxury and also black conveys luxury and other type of stuff. Now, picking colors, you have to know that all these colors convey certain types of emotion. In other type of design, you can also sample color from the picture of your model to actually use as your baseline color for your design. But that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about picking colors that are quite different from your subject fruit color. So before that, first off, we have to know that there is something known as the color wheel. The color wheel is a circular type of way where all colors are related in a certain way. They are related in a certain way that can be used complementary or that can be used jointly to actually create a digital art. We have other types of are related in them. The color wheel, we are going to be looking at a few. We have the complementary, the split complementary, the analogous, and also the square. All these ways that the colors are being related are how they are being used in design, and they actually go well with each other. We all know that we can't use yellow and blue the same. If choosing the colors for your design using the color wheel doesn't work for you, because most time it doesn't work for me, there's a website called colors.com. Colors.com is a website that actually helps you in choosing colors for your design. Colors.com is just like Adobe, a Adobe color website that allows you to pick color for your UI UX design project or also your graphics design project. Picking colors from this website is very, very easy to use, and you actually have to have a base color, then you go to colors.com to see how other colors go well with the colors you have as your base color. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please convey this information by sharing it to your graphic design friend, liking the video, and also subscribing to the channel. Thank you.